Mix Termidor HE to the exact labeled concentrate and apply it with precise, systematic trenching and targeted void treatments to maximize termite control efficiency. Termidor HE is a high-efficiency formulation that allows you to treat with roughly half the solution volume compared with standard termiticides when mixed and applied exactly as directed. Start by reading the product label for your jurisdiction and calculate the needed amount of concentrate using the label rate. Measure carefully using a calibrated container and water to reach the specified concentration rather than guessing. When treating slab edges, footings, perimeter trenches, or around piers and plumbing, maintain consistent application depth and distribute the solution evenly so that the chemical forms a continuous treated zone that termites will cross. For slab and foundation work, drill small diameter holes at intervals of approximately 18 inches for subslab injection and use a steady injection pressure to avoid channeling and ensure the product disperses into the soil matrix. For voids and localized wood treatments, inject small metered quantities directly into the voids or along mud tubes to target active galleries without overwatering surrounding soil. Always monitor soil moisture conditions because very dry or saturated soils alter product movement and contact. If soil is extremely dry, lightly pre-wet the zone so the emulsion moves more predictably, but do not exceed label application volumes. Homeowners and technicians often undermeasure concentrate, which weakens the treated barrier, so always use precise measuring tools and double-check calculations. Another common issue is uneven hole spacing or inconsistent injection depth, which creates gaps in the treated zone. Follow the recommended 18-inch spacing and keep depth uniform or the barrier will be compromised. A third frequent problem is applying too much liquid in one location, causing runoff and poor lateral movement. Reduce per point volume, move methodically along the zone, and keep total applied volume within label limits to encourage even distribution. We help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work through bighomeprojects.com by listing local pros and user feedback to aid selection. We also host an active discussion community where people share field tips, questions, and real experiences about treatments like Termidor HE.